Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this parallelogram ABCD that consists of a bunch of regions, as you can see in this diagram, such that this yellow shaded region is 9 square units. This yellow shaded region is 72 square units. This yellow shaded region is 10 square units. And finally, this yellow shaded region is 8 square units. And moreover, these points E, F, and G are on this parallelogram. And now our task is to calculate the area of this green shaded region. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. Before we proceed any further, let me go over the basic concept review. And here's our very first example. And now let's make an observation. This parallelogram consists of 3 triangles. This green triangle and these 2 other yellow triangles. And all of these triangles have the same height. And the base of this green triangle is equal to the sum of these 2 individual yellow triangles. Then we conclude that the area of this green shaded region is going to be equal to the half of this whole parallelogram area. And likewise, the combined yellow area of these 2 triangles is going to be the half of the parallelogram area as well. And here's another example. And this time this parallelogram consists of 2 green shaded triangles and likewise 2 shaded yellow triangles as well. And once again, the height of all these triangles is the same. And the sum of these 2 green shaded triangles base is equal to the sum of these 2 bases for these yellow triangles. Then we conclude that the sum of these 2 green shaded triangles is going to be equal to the half of this whole parallelogram area. And likewise, the sum of these 2 yellow shaded triangles area is going to be equal to the half of this whole parallelogram area as well. And here's our next step. I'm going to label this green shaded area as X, the area of this white shaded region as Y, and finally the area of this white shaded region as Z. And now our task is to find the value of this region X. And now let's focus on this shaded triangle AFD. And now let's make an observation. We can see the area of this shaded triangle AFD is going to be the half of the area of this whole parallelogram ABCD. Let's assume the area of this whole parallelogram is being represented by uppercase A square units. And now we can see the sum of these all individual areas Y plus X plus Z plus 10 is going to be equal to the half of this whole area A. So therefore, let me go ahead and write down area X plus area Y plus area Z plus 10 is going to be equal to the half of this whole parallelogram area uppercase A. And I'm going to label this one as our equation number 1. And here's our next step. Let's focus on these 2 triangles. This individual triangle ADE and this another triangle ECG. And we can see the area of these 2 combined triangles is going to be equal to the half of the area of this whole parallelogram as well. And now we can see the area of this triangle is going to be Y plus 9 plus 8 plus z plus 72 is going to be equal to the half of this area A. So therefore, let me go ahead and write down y plus 9 plus 8 plus z plus 72 is going to be equal to the half of this whole area A. And now let's go ahead and combine these like terms, these constant 9, 8 and 72. So therefore left hand side is going to become y plus z plus 89 is going to be equal to a half times this whole area A. And now I'm going to label this one as our equation number 2. And here we are ended up with these two individual equations, 1 and 2. And now we are going to compare these two equations. And we can see the right hand sides of these two equations are identical. So therefore we can equate the left hand sides as well. So therefore we can write x plus y plus z plus 10 is going to be equal to y plus z plus 89. And now we can see this y and y, they are gone. Z is gone and this z is gone as well. So therefore on the left hand side we are ended up with x plus 10 is going to be equal to 89 on the right hand side. And now we are going to subtract 10 from both sides to isolate x. And here we can see this 10 and negative 10 is gone. So therefore our x value simply turns out to be 79. So thus our x value turns out to be 79. And we can see that this x represents the green shaded region area. So therefore we conclude that this green shaded region area is going to be equal to our this area, which is 79 square units. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this green shaded region turns out to be equal to 79 square units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.